Today we are going to discuss the Ewing coat of arms. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer genealogy research service at our website. Please visit us at coadb.com. First coat of arms to discuss was found in the Workman Armorial, dated to the year 1566. This was the same year that one William Ewin was summoned to attend the court of Mary Queen of Scots. He was possibly her standard bearer, and we can deduce that from the fact that a flag sits atop the chevron in his coat of arms. Next, a very similar coat of arms with the crest a demi lion rampant and the dexter paw a mullet for the Ewings of Keppoch in Dumbartonshire, Scotland. There was Daniel Ewing, alive in 1617, and then later Walter Ewing and Daniel Ewing in 1705. Here we find the coat of arms borne quarterly with the arms of Bontine, which is the three bunting birds proper, with the bent gules between them. This was the arms registered in 1869 by Alexander Ewing, a merchant of Glasgow, and he was a descendant of William Ewing, born 1769, who was son of William Thomas Ewing and Jean Bontine. Next, we have the coat of arms of the Ewings of Levenfield from Dumbarton, Scotland in 1870. This was the arms of John Orr-Ewing Esq of Levenfield, who we see here, born 1809. He was a justice of the peace, director of a railway, and the son of William Ewing of Arduvallan, near Dunoon in Argyle. He was the son of Robert, who inherited the lands of Ledvish and Ledvish Beg and parts of the estate of Bollock from his father, Alexander Ewing, who was born around the year 1669. Coat of arms of William Ewing, merchant of London in 1870. I wasn't able to ascertain who this was. If you know, please let us know in the comments. Similar coat of arms with three martlets Argent in the border for Ewing of Ballykinrain in County Stirling, Scotland, for Sir Archibald Orr-Ewing, born 1818, a Conservative Party politician, Member of Parliament, and he was created a baronet in 1886. Baronetcy is essentially a hereditary knighthood. It's a title that is inherited from father to typically the eldest son. And we know that Archibald had a castle built for him in 1868, which we see here. And lastly, quarterly gules in Orr, the second and third charged with the satire of the first, Crest, the moon, and her complement proper. This was for Ewing of Ireland. There were Ewings present in Coleraine, County Londonderry of Ulster in Northern Ireland since the middle of the 17th century. William Ewing, son of William James Ewing, moved his family from Scotland to Ulster and had sons Charles, Robert, and William. Some notable members were George Ewing, a Dublin bookseller, Patrick Ewing, a Dublin merchant, Thomas Ewing, Dublin bookseller, Robert Ewing of Prussia Street, Dublin, described as a gentleman, which means he did not work for a living, and Robert Ewing of Barbados, a merchant, will prove 1792. There was also James Ewing, who died in 1852, of Regent's Park, Middlesex, England. He was an Irishman, a member of Parliament for Wareham. He served as a judge and magistrate in India, and was son of James Ewing of Prussia Street, or possibly James Ewing of Temple Moyle. And we have several other Ewings mentioned. Sergeant Major Thomas Ewing, born around the year 1582, who served in the Netherlands and was the son of Reverend William Ewing. James Ewing, a West India merchant. Alexander Ewing, a bishop of Argyle and the Isle and the Scottish Episcopal Church. James Ewing, a minister of St. Andrew's Church. And Alexander Ewing, a Scottish musician and composer who studied music and law and was the British Army's, he worked in the Pay Corps, and he served at Constantinople during the Crimean War and was the son of a medical doctor. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, link in the description. Thank you very much.